Selma Lovisa Lagerlöf was born on 20th November 1858. She was a Swedish author and a teacher. She was the first woman in the world to win a Nobel Prize in Literature. Awards won by Selma Lagerlöf. Nobel Prize in Literature in 1909. Her work. Selma Lagerlöf's authorship is deeply rooted in folk tales, legends and stories from her home district in Värmland County, Sweden. Her debut novel, Gösta Berling's Saga, broke away from the then prevailing realism and naturalism and is characterized by a vivid imagination. Books written by Lagerlöf: The Emperor of Portugalia, The Wonderful Adventures of Nils, Jerusalem, Christ Legends, and the Miracles of Antichrist. The Emperor of Portugalia is a novel written by the Nobel laureate Selma Lagerlöf, and this book was published in the year 1940. As she wrote many books, she was being awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1909. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861. He was a Bengali poet, writer, playwright, composer and a social reformer. He was the first and one and only person who won a Nobel Prize in Literature from India. Poems and songs written by Tagore: Geetanjali, Ghare Baire, Gora, Janaganamana, Rabindra Sangeet, Amar Shonar Bangla. We all know that Janaganamana is considered as our national anthem, and this makes him more famous. As he wrote these many poems and also the national anthem of a country, he was being honored with the Nobel Prize in 1913. Pablo Neruda was born on 12th July 1904. He was a Chilean poet, diplomat and a politician who won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1971. Books and poems written by Neruda: Canto General, Residence on Earth, Memories and Love Poems. For writing these many books, he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1971. Thank you.